Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and hope you're surviving through these markets. In this video, we'll talk about one of the cryptos that has actually been holding on relatively well, and that's always interesting to see. Like if you look at these like weird meme coins, like I still think Neiro, which is what we'll be talking about. I still think that's in the category weird. All right, it's kind of with Bybit. Like if you look at Bybit right now, it's actually quite bullish. Like it's up 60% over the last day. I think Neiro, by the way, is a little bit less shady than Bybit. Neiro just had a lot of exposure as well on the socials, but doesn't matter. All right, we'll talk about Neiro. We'll talk about it slightly fundamentally, but mostly we'll look at the technicals. That's where my expertise is in Neiro. I don't know the full story. Obviously, I heard about it. I don't live under a rock. But I believe this is the second one, right? Correct me down in the comments. But there was some sort of a story that you had two Neiros, and that one of them was the main one, and then the other one got pushed by Ansem, and then after that it became very, very bullish. And since then, I mean, if you like, this is the 1 hour time frame on 1 hour time frame chart on MACD, because that's where you have most of the volume. So we don't have the full price action. I don't think we need it if you take a look at the charts, but we'll talk about that. But this seems to be the main one right now, even though there's probably still a part of the community a little bit sour about what happened. I'm outside of that. But all right, Neiro has been holding on surprisingly well, or at least surprisingly well. If you would expect from any coin to kind of hold up relatively well in these market circumstances, it would be a coin like this. All right, so as you can see from the chart right here, not only is the price holding up relatively well, the volume is also doing relatively well here. I'm not sure if it's already on perpetual futures anywhere. No, it doesn't seem like it. I do think that's coming. Well, it's on perpetual futures on Deepcoin and MACD probably. But I do expect some sort of a Bybit listing or something like that, Blowfin maybe. To be coming relatively soon, because the volume right here is pretty good. $35 million, market cap of $200 million. In bullish market circumstances, this could do very, very well. And I still think this could do well right now. All right, and the reason for that is that purely technically, like right now, we're at a very strong resistance level, but we're kind of, the way I see it is the following. And that is that we have had a significant bullish breakout above 20 cents, which was the main resistance level at the start of August. And is also a strong psychological level, which matters a lot for new coins in price discovery like this, which technically we are not in price discovery, but we were this morning. But then you have, or at least it seems to me, that 22.5 cents as resistance is being respected as well, which is another psychological level. So for me, what we have to do, and I think that's the best way to go about this in these uncertain market circumstances, is wait for the breakout. All right. Technically, right now we are bullish, but if you're buying Neiro right now, you're basically buying into resistance. I would wait, like the way I see Neiro right now, purely technically, is that we're stuck between 20 cents. That's our 20 cents. That's our main support level here, and 22.5 cents, which is our main resistance level. Just wait for one of those two to break. All right. If we're able to break above 22.5 cents right here, on the 1 hour time frame at least, significant bullish breakout in an uptrend. So then I would argue we're going higher, up to 25. 27.5, 30 cents. All right, the next psychological levels. And maybe you can find some sort of a Fibonacci extension level as a target. And if we break down below 20 cents right here, the market is probably too weak, and we'll drop back down into 15 and probably consolidate down here. So wait for the breakout. Due to the market structure here, I'm slightly more inclined to tell you that I think the bullish breakout is more likely. But like I said, if you're buying right now, you're buying into the resistance. It's much better to wait for that resistance level to break and then buy the retest. All right. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.